Factoring. What is factoring? Expressing a number as a product of its dividers. Factors of 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. 7 times 2 equals 14. And 1 times 14 equals 14. Quadratic equations. The quadratic equation is x squared plus x minus 2. X squared is labeled as a, b, and then c. X always equals 1. You are then going to multiply a times c, which will give you negative 2. You then will find the factors of negative 2, which is going to equal 1. But I wrote 2. Instead of writing equals 1, I put negative 2. It's supposed to be 1 because x equals 1 and it's supposed to equal b. Negative 1 times 2 equals negative 2, so it's x minus 1, x plus 2. The next equation is x squared minus 16. X squared is a, and negative 16 is c. B is going to equal 0 since there is nothing there. You're going to multiply a times c, which is 1 times negative 16. Equals negative 16. You are then going to find the factors of negative 16, and also that equals 0, which would be b. Negative 4 times 4 equals 16, and negative 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the answer is x minus 4, x plus 4. An equation with a number before the x is 2x squared plus x minus 15. You label the equation a, b, and c, and 1 being x. You multiply 2 times negative 15 and get negative 30. You then find the factors of negative 30 that equals 1, which is b. 6 times negative 5 equals negative 30, and 6 minus 5 equals 1. X plus 6, x minus 5. Since there is a number before the x, you divide it by 2. Since 5 cannot go into 2, 2 goes before the x, which will now be x plus 3, 2x minus 5. The next equation is 2x squared plus 18x plus 28. Since they are all divisible by 2, you're going to divide them all by 2. X squared plus 9, x plus 14. You're going to label a, b, and c, and multiply a times c, which is 1 times 14, equals 14. You find the factors of 14 that equal 9. 7 times 2 equals 14, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. You bring down the 2, bring down the parentheses, x plus 7, x plus 2.